Welcome to this new Valor community in Athens. It's called Liberty and it is fabulous. You are going to love all the different options here. It's affordable, they have cool houses and lots of floor plans, and today I want to check it all out. Out here in Athens at the Liberty neighborhood, there are several floor plans available. In fact, there are 5 that you can purchase right now and are move-in ready. They range in size from 1,500 square feet all the way up to almost 3,000 square feet. And the prices are truly affordable. For the 1,500 square foot one, it's under 300. And it goes up to just into the 400s. So there's lots of options. Let's check them out. This house I'm standing in is the model home. It is a Laurel. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and is about 2,786 square feet. You can move into this house for under $400,000. It's $399,850. The owner suite in this house is so cool, you guys. You're gonna love it. It has a beautiful ensuite bathroom along with a gorgeous owner's suite, and then this fabulous sort of living area, office area. It's more like a flex room in a turret style. It is so cute. One thing I really love about Valor is that they do this a lot. They have an add-on to your owner's suite, variety of different sizes and shapes, and it really adds some character and privacy to your life. As I mentioned before, there are 5 homes available in this neighborhood, so let's go take a look at them. This house behind me is the Ramsey 2. It is also a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house with a 3-car garage, but it is 2,900 plus square feet. So let's check this one out.
Let's get down to the nitty-gritty and discuss the amenities and the energy efficiency of Valor Homes. Starting with the energy efficiency, these homes are built with R13 insulation, R19 in the ceilings, and then R30 loose blown insulation in the attic. They have an energy rated hot water heater and a programmable thermostat. All of these things to help save you money down the road. On the exterior of the house, they have low maintenance soffits, full termite repellent systems, 25-year shingles. Gutters are installed on the front and rear of the home, and that is per plan, whichever one you choose.
Another reason I love this community of Valor Homes is that there's so many different options. This one is very similar to the previous one, except 2 things. No opening to the great room here, and check out this den. This house here is called the Kimball. It's currently under construction, but expected to finish very soon. So you could have this one. It's just under 1,600 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but it's under $300,000. This is the perfect option for those who are looking for a 1-story floor plan with no 2nd story, no bonus room, no nothing. But it still has nice frills like wainscoting, granite, beautiful cabinets, all those things. This one behind me is called the Austin. It is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3-car garage, and it's just over 2,600 square feet, all hidden behind this front. Let's go see it.
Now, on the inside of the home, as far as features go, there are 4 different levels of amenities. Every single one of them will include things like luxury vinyl plank, granite countertops, chrome sink fixtures, and a frameless mirror, all the things that you're going to want in your beautiful new home.
One of the things I love about this particular house is that 4 of the bedrooms are on the main floor and only 1 is upstairs. And it's a big bonus room. So let's go.
Then as you go up in the different levels of home, more and more of these amenities are offered.
For the mid-size house, this is the Crandall. It's 1,900 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and a 3-car garage. One of the things I love about Valor is that you can't add or take away a garage. It either comes with their plans or it doesn't. A lot of times you guys are looking for homes with 3-car garages, and Valor does that, and they're still affordable. This one is under $330,000. Let's go take a look. Some of the standard features here at Valor Homes are things like ceramic tile backsplash, granite countertops, even this wonderful farm sink. One of the really cool things about the Liberty neighborhood is that Valor is putting in tons of amenities. There's gonna be a big pool, you know, with slides and zero entry and all the things, pickleball courts, yoga studio, like even with the silk, so you can do the aerial yoga, all the things. So they're really trying to build a community out here in Athens. Thanks for joining me today out here at Liberty. This is a fabulous community. Give me a call and we can schedule a time to go check out all of these Valor properties.